Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I'm going to be doing some fabric covered buttons. These are the ones that I purchased off of Amazon. Now these have flat backs, which is why I purchased these. Now these I actually got out of, some kits that I had from Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to use these from the kits, and these which you use to push down the side of it. So let's take a look at this card. What is this card? I'm guessing this is, what is that, how big the circle got to be for the fabric? I don't know. It doesn't come with no instructions or nothing. Anywho, all right, let's go ahead and get into this craft.